Frequently asked question number 2. My die doesn't fit. This is the same with the DTP M's or A's. And as we can see on this machine, we can see a gap here, which means that the die isn't fitting correctly. Now, with only a small amount of gap like this, generally leads to 2 possibilities. So the first one is that the pressure bar is not far enough back. And an easy way to see if this is the case is if we look down the punch throat, you may be able to see the pins sticking through slightly. So to correct this, we need to remove the punch tool, turn it around so we can see the back, and then if we flip it up, we can see that the pressure bar is not fully flush with the back at both sides. So to correct this, I reach over and grab hold of the deselection pins and lift. While I'm lifting, we use a screwdriver to lever back on the racks and lift the pressure bar until it won't go up any further. And we should be able to see that we are now even at the back. So while I'm still holding the pins back, lower the punch tool over, spin it back round, and then I hold with the sides and use my thumbs to push back on the pins so they don't move, and then lower it back into the machine. And now we should be able to see that the die is sat down flush.